Hello guys and welcome back na naman sa panibagong mixing tutorial dito sa Mixed by Yaldo YouTube channel. So today I'll be breaking down a 2-track mix. RNB pop ang genre na itong track. Alright, so let's get started. As usual, ipi-preview ko muna itong track, tas I will explain the plugins that I used one by one, and shoutout pala kay Vince Ocampo for letting me use his song. I'll be leaving a link for his channel below sa description. Alright, let's play the track.
Girl, you know I got something. Halata naman na gusto mo to with me. Sumama ka na sa'kin. Tell me if you will let me fuck you tonight. Tara, let's do it. Hapin sa makribin natin nang isulit. I like it when you're nude. Para ba akong nagugutom sa iyong body. Baby, I will make you all wet tonight. Put you on bed tonight. Let me think your favorite step, that's alright. So tell me what you want, babe, yeah. So tell me what you want, babe, yeah. So tell me what you want with you. So let me do you wrong, babe, yeah. So let me do you wrong, babe, yeah. So let me do you wrong. When you give me some good love, good fuck, good love, good fuck, good love. Give me some good love, good fuck, good love. Give me some good love, good fuck, good love, good fuck, good love. Give me some good love, good fuck, good love, good fuck, good love.
Okay, so let's start dito sa verse, tas doubles and adlibs.
Girl, you know I got something. Halata naman na gusto mo to with me. Sumama ka na sa'kin.
I will turn off all the plugins na nasa verse bus. So dito sa verse, I have an EQ na naka-high pass. Tas I dipped down some of the unwanted frequencies and I boosted a little bit sa top end.
Girl, you know I got something. Halata naman na gusto mo to with me.
Next plugin is SSL EQ, boosting again sa highs, high mids, and konting bawas sa low end.
Girl, you know I got something. Halata naman na gusto mo to with me.
Next is our compressor. If you watch my other videos about mixing, I always stack my compressors. Pero nakadepende pa din kung kailangan. Kasi sometimes, I only use one compressor but in this track, I use 3. So in this R-Comp, very subtle lang ang compression. This is just to build a balance sa tone of vocals. Next is CLA76, slow to medium attack, tas fast release, and 4:1 ratio. Next naman is CLA2A. I set it to reduce at least 5 dB of gain.
Girl, you know I got something. Halata naman na gusto mo to with me.
Next is C4 to tame the low end.
Girl, you know I got something. Halata naman na gusto mo to with me.
Next in the chain is Doubler 2. I always use this plugin para maging wide yung vocals ng konti.
Girl, you know I got something. Halata naman na gusto mo to with me. Sumama ka na sa'kin.
Next plugin is Abbey Road Saturator. This adds life sa vocals. Ini-increase niya yung presence and the top end sa vocals.
Girl, you know I got something. Halata naman na gusto mo to with me. Sumama ka na sa'kin. If you will let me fuck you tonight.
Next is our de-esser to tame all of the consonants. Next is reverb. I used the Valhalla plate for these vocals. Naka-default lang ang preset neto, tas in-adjust ko lang by using the FX fader.
Girl, you know I got something. Halata naman na gusto mo to with me.
Next is a delay. I'm using H delay. Naka-set ito sa quarter note and then naka-ping-pong mode ito.
Girl, you know I got something. Halata naman na gusto mo to with me.
Alright, so sa verse doubles na tayo. So basically, after ko na makabuild ng vocal chain dun sa main verse vocals, there's no need for me to build a new one. The same voice lang eh. I'll just have to duplicate it na lang and then tweak it accordingly.
Girl, you know I got something. Tara, let's do it. Atin nang isulit. Nude.
So in short, ang vocal chain netong verse doubles ay galing sa main vocals. Tinweak ko lang siya by adjusting the levels, EQ, and mainly dito sa doubler 2, which is naka-hard pan.
Tara, let's do it. Tara, let's do it. Tara, let's do it.
Also for the ad-libs, same vocal chain lang din. What I did lang dito is I EQ'd it na naka-filter or radio mode, and also I added a meta flanger.
I got something. Halata naman na gusto mo to with me. Sumama ka na sa'kin. Tell me if you will let me fuck you tonight. Tara, let's do it.
So dito sa pre-chorus, the same lang din ang vocal chain dun sa main verse vox, verse doubles, and verse ad-libs effects. One thing na you might notice is I don't put any plug-ins sa mismong track ng vocals. I always wrote them papunta sa kani-kanilang designated na buses. So by doing that, nakakasave ako ng CPU power. Kesa naman lagyan ko bawat track ng plug-ins, bibigat lalo yung load ng session ko.
So tell me what you want, babe. So tell me what you want, babe.
So anyways, also for the chorus, same lang din ang process and vocal chain.
When you give me some good love, good fuck, good love, good fuck, good love. Give me some good love, good fuck, good love. Give me some good love, good fuck.
One thing I changed lang pala is yung reverb. I increased it ng konti lang. Alright, let's preview again the track with all the plugins na naka-activate.
Girl, you know I got something. Halata naman na gusto mo to with me. Sumama ka na sa'kin. Tell me if you will let me fuck you tonight. Tara, let's do it. Hapin sa makribin natin nang isulit. I like it when you're nude. Para ba akong nagugutom sa iyong body. Body, body, body. Baby, I will make you all wet tonight. Put you on bed tonight. Let me taste your flavor, if that's alright. Oh yeah.
So that is it guys on how I mix this track. Please do like this video if nakatulong tong video sa inyo, and subscribe ka na din if di ka pa nakasub sa channel ko. Turn the bell notification para updated ka if naglabas ako ng mga new mixing tutorial videos. Alright, thanks for watching guys. See you again next time. Happy mixing and bye-bye.
When you give me some good love, good fuck, good love, good fuck, good love. Give me some good love, good fuck, good love. Give me some good